How to accordion blocks in Squarespace. So in order to add or use accordion blocks in Squarespace, you need to head over to any section that you wish to add that. So I have in here this blank section. So in order to add that, click onto this add block, click onto the search bar and search in here for accordion. So here it is right there. Just drag and drop it on any blank part of the page that you wish to add it. And as you can see right here, it's now added. Now you just need to add it there. Click onto this pencil icon and click onto the first item right here. You can change its title. So for example, let's name this item 1. Add in your description. And then after that, you can head back and edit the item 2. So accordion typically is what you will call a repetitive task or repetitive layout, but different items. So for example, let's put in here item 2 and input description. So this accordion actually changes design depending on what you want it to be. You can change its description, icon size, and you can also enable background based on this. So typically accordion is used on FAQs of a website since this item can be expanded and be collapsed at the same time. So that's how you use accordion blocks in Squarespace. Hope we helped.